Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon Locker for delivery, pickup guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining if there is an Amazon Locker location near you. You can easily check this on the Amazon website or app by searching for locker locations. Once you find a nearby locker, make a note of its address and operating hours. Next, select the items you want to order on Amazon. During the checkout process, choose Amazon Locker as your delivery option. Enter the address of the locker you noted earlier. Choose the specific locker you wish to use from the available options. Complete your order and pay for your items as usual. After your order is shipped, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include a unique pickup code for your locker. When your package arrives at the Amazon Locker, you will receive another email notification. Visit the Amazon Locker location during its operating hours to pick up your package. Once you arrive, locate the locker you selected during checkout. Tap the screen on the locker to begin the pickup process. Enter the unique pickup code from your email. The locker door corresponding to your code will automatically open. Retrieve your package from the locker. If the locker door does not open, ensure you entered the code correctly. Close the door after taking your package to complete the pickup. If you encounter any issues, contact Amazon customer service for assistance. Remember to pick up your order within 3 days to avoid package returns. Now you're ready to enjoy a more convenient delivery experience with Amazon Locker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.